Let's fill out the Idaho motorcycle bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color, then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying a motorcycle in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale and transfer process. First, let's talk about signatures. The bill of sale must be signed by the owner or applicant. That's a must, so make sure everyone involved gets that done before anything else. Now, if there is a lien holder involved, the lien holder's name and address must be printed in the new lien holder section of the title. Don't skip this step because it's required to properly document who holds any interest in the vehicle. For the odometer, if the motorcycle was made after 2010 and it weighs under 16,000 pounds, you will need to include an odometer disclosure. Most motorcycles will fall into this category, so be prepared to record that mileage accurately. On the seller's side, remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.